Hello, in this video we're gonna see the directive vbind. First, we're gonna see how to bind data with attributes of an element. In data, I'm gonna add a variable, a link to Vue JS website. Inside the Vue app, I'm gonna create a link. href equal link between double curly braces. Let's check if this method works. It didn't work. This is not the way to bind data with the attribute href. Now I'm gonna use the directive vbind. I'm gonna remove the double curly braces. Now we can see the link of Vue JS. It works. In data, I'm gonna add a path to an image. We're gonna bind the path of image with the attribute src. I'm gonna add emg element. vbind 2.src equal picture. We can see the image on browser. There is a short way to use vbind. I'm gonna keep only the 2 point before the attribute. Next, I'm gonna bind data with style. In data, I'm gonna add a variable style, its value width 300 pixels. I'm gonna bind style. We can see on the browser that the size of the image is changed. I'm gonna add a border radius to style. We can see that we can add properties to the style. Last, we're gonna bind a class. In style section, I'm gonna create a class. Its name class1. Background color green yellow. I'm gonna bind the class. I have a variable in my data toggle. Its type boolean, its value false. Between curly braces, we write the name of the class, 2 points, and a boolean. If false, Vue remove the class. If true, Vue add the class. I'm gonna change the value of toggle. vm.toggle equal true. You can see the green yellow background. This is the end of this video. Take care.